my first sewing machine very long ago at Costco, and I leave it there like for 2 years because I was so scared of the machine. And then I finally started just a straight stitching. It needed a big brave to do the first beginning. And then I tried to find tutorials online, and then where I am now. I often say it's my girls when they draw something or when they do something together, and just to quickly take a picture with my iPhone or draw simple sketches, and then later when they sleeping and I trace it with my sewing machine on the fabric. I like something. I don't have a patience like other people. Somebody make a quilt for a year, and then at the end of a year you finish the very spectacular piece of art, right? But I don't think I have that kind of a patience. So I want to start today. I want to see the finished project within today. That's how I start always the small zipper pouches or like wall hangings. Every day I think of what should I draw next or what should I make next, because I'm also a fabric designer too. I start from just little scraps of fabric and start. I would just say start, even though you're young or old, you're a man or a woman. Just to start, that is the beginning. And then later you will find out the skill you have or the passion you didn't even know before.